To initially power your device, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds or until the Google icon appears. Powering up should take about 30 seconds. Your device will power to this screen. Here, you can select the language for your device. Once you have set your preferred language, tap Start to continue. This screen verifies that your device is activated. Tap Next to continue. Here, you can sign into your Google account, create one, or choose to continue without signing into a Google account. Here, I'll sign in using an existing Google account. Enter your Google email address and password and tap Sign In to continue. Here, you are prompted to join Google+, or put it off till later. Here, we'll continue with setup without joining Google+. This screen displays backup options. Here, you can choose to restore this phone and keep this phone backed up using your Google account. Tap Next to continue. Next, you can set your location settings. Here, I'm allowing Google to collect anonymous location data and to use my location for Google search results and other Google services. Tapping Next, you can assign your device a name. Tapping Next opens the setup confirmation page. Tap Finish to complete setup, opening the device to your home screen. To power on your device, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds or until the white Google icon appears. Again, powering up should take about 30 seconds. To unlock your device, press and hold the circle in the center, dragging left to directly open the camera, or dragging right to unlock your device. Here, I'll unlock the device. To lock your device, tap the power lock button and the screen will go black. Now, when you touch the screen, the phone will not respond. Tapping the power lock button will open the unlock screen. Drag the unlock slider to the right to unlock. Pressing and holding the power lock button will open the phone options window. Selecting power off will open the power off window. Press OK to power off your device or cancel to return to the home screen. Out of the box, your device has 5 home screens. Dragging your finger left to right or right to left will switch between the different home screens. As you navigate through the home screens, your position is tracked on the bottom status bar. Tapping the Home button soft key on any home screen will return you to the center home screen. When in an application, using the Return soft key will take you one step back. Tapping the Return key enough times will eventually return you to the home screen. Tapping the Home key will return you to the home screen and will usually keep your place in the application you were using. Tapping this soft key opens a scrollable screen displaying all open applications, making multitasking easy. Simply tap on the application you want to return to. Using this soft key makes it easy to jump back and forth between open applications without losing your spot. Pressing and holding an open application in the list gives you the option to remove it from the list and to get application info. Here, I'll remove the calculator from the list. Tapping this icon opens your application bin. Here, applications are sorted alphabetically. Scrolling to the right, your location within the bin is tracked with the status bar. Once you've scrolled through all your applications, you will reach widgets. Widgets are sorted alphabetically as well. Tapping here, you can jump directly back to applications. To place an application or widget on the home screen, press and hold on the application you want to place and drag it to your desired location. At the top of the screen is a notification bar. Here, you will find notifications for new emails, text messages, missed calls, application updates, and more. Tapping on a notification will open it. If you want to remove a notification without opening it, simply drag your finger left to right, throwing it off the screen. You can track download statuses in the notification bar as well. New notifications will display at the top of your screen when they first arrive. This Google search bar makes it easy to search Google and your device right from your home screen. Here, I've searched for Mobile Professor. Tapping this icon, you can also search using your voice. Food near Annapolis, Maryland. Please see Applications and Customization to learn how to customize your home screen beyond the basic fundamentals shown in this section. To adjust the ringer volume on your device, tapping down will step your volume down one step at a time. Holding the button will cause a faster decrease in the setting. When the volume is all the way down, your device is in silent mode. The same process works for increasing the volume. Opening your application bin and tapping the settings icon, then tapping sound opens sound settings. Selecting volumes, you can set specific volume levels for music, video games, and other media, ringtones and notifications, and alarms. Tap OK to save your changes. Selecting vibrate, you can choose for the phone to vibrate always, never, only in silent mode, and only when not in silent mode. Tapping silent mode, you can toggle between silent on and off. Tapping and holding the power lock button opens phone options. Here, you can also toggle between silent mode on and off. Here, I'll open a blank text message to demonstrate text entry. By default, your device comes with a virtual, full QWERTY keyboard. As you type, your device will automatically correct misspellings. If your device cannot correct the word, it will underline it in red, such as with conference in this case. Tapping on the misspelled word will open replacement suggestions. Tap on the word you want to use to replace. In the case you spell a word that is marked as incorrect spelling, such as with a name, selecting Add to Dictionary, you can add the word so it will not be flagged as incorrect in future instances. Tapping this icon will capitalize letters. When the blue line is on the caps button, caps lock is active. When the blue line is not on the caps lock button, caps lock is off. Tapping this icon opens a keyboard with numbers and commonly used symbols. Tapping this icon opens another keyboard with additional symbols. Tapping the ABC key returns you to the standard keyboard. Some keys have additional characters, such as in this case with the numbers 1 through 0. Pressing and holding the key will type the alternate character in gray. This also works with letters to find additional commonly used alternate characters. Pressing and holding on the voice-to-text icon will give you the options to change input languages and Android keyboard settings. Selecting Input Languages and unchecking Use System Language, you can select a custom active input language. In this case, I'll keep the active system language. Selecting Keyboard Settings, you can customize your keyboard to your liking. Pressing and holding a key with additional character options, simply drag your finger to the character you want to use. Pressing and holding on a word will highlight and select it. Use the blue arrows to drag and select the text you want highlighted. In this case, I'll highlight everything in order to delete it with one press of the backspace key. Your Galaxy Nexus has voice-to-text with continuous talk. You can speak, pause, and enunciate punctuation. Please be ready for today's meeting at 3 p.m. Period. Please come ready with all your ideas for 2012. Period. Tap Done when you're finished. To add more to your message, tap on the microphone and begin speaking again. The meeting should last approximately 1 hour. Period. Again, tap Done when you're finished speaking. Tapping words underlined with gray, you can choose alternate options. Here, I'll change 1 hour to 1 hour spelled. Tapping on this icon launches the phone on your Galaxy Nexus. Here, my phone opens to the keypad. Here, you'll find your call log. And just to the side, your contact list. Back to the keypad, we'll place a phone call. Dial the number and tap here to place the call. Along the bottom of the call, you have 4 options: keypad, speaker, mute, and conference call. Simply dial the number you want to add to the call. To end the call, tap here. When you receive a call, press and hold here. Drag left to decline the call, up to reply with a preset or custom text message, or right to answer. Here, I'll demonstrate all 3. When you're on a phone call, tapping the home button, you can access the internet and applications on your device. Once you've found the information or accessed the application you needed, tap the multitasking soft key and return to the call in progress. If you want to continue speaking with the other party, turn your phone on speaker before leaving the call and accessing your device. You can save contacts in a few different ways on your device. From the dial pad, enter the number you want to save. Then tap here and select Add to Contacts. At the top, create new contact. You can also add contacts from recent calls. Tapping on the recent call you want to save opens this page. Select Add to Contacts, and then Create New Contact. Finally, opening your contact list and tapping here, you can add contacts directly to your list. This screen is where I left off using each method. This shows the account your new contact will synchronize with. Tap OK to confirm or Add New Account to synchronize it with a new Gmail account. First, you'll need to enter the name for the contact. Next, you have the option to add an organization. Here, I'll assign the contact a title within the organization as well. Next, enter a phone number. Saving a contact from the dial pad or recent calls, the number will automatically populate here. Tapping here, you can assign the phone number a label. Tap Add New to assign another number to this contact. Next, I'll add an email address. Again, you can assign the email a label tapping here. Here, I'll include a physical address for this contact. You can mark events for this contact, such as birthday, and start date. The calendar on your device will remind you of these. Tapping here, you can assign the contact to a specific group of contacts or create a new group. Tapping Add Another Field will open this list of additional fields you can add for this contact. Here, I'll add a website. When you're finished, scroll through to review. To save the contact, tap Done. Tapping here, you can edit, share, and delete the contact, set a specific ringtone for it, and send all calls from this contact to voicemail. Tapping here, you can add the contact to your favorites, making it easier to find within a shorter list of contacts. To access your voicemail, press and hold 1 until the call begins. You can also dial *86 and press send. Tap here to open the keypad. Enter your passcode and tap pound. To open your text message inbox, tap here. To compose a new message, tap this icon. First, enter the recipient or recipients you want to send the message to. You can enter a name, phone number, or email address. Next, type your message. Tap this icon to send it. Sent messages are displayed right aligned. Messages received are displayed left aligned. If you want to speak your message, tap here to activate voice to text. Have you seen the Samsung Galaxy Nexus? Question mark. Tap Done when you're finished speaking. Just as before, you can tap on highlighted words to make corrections. Tapping the paperclip, you can attach a picture, capture a picture to attach a video, capture a new video to attach recorded audio, or a slideshow. Tapping here gives you the ability to call the contact, add a subject to your message, insert a smiley, delete the thread, and access settings. Tapping on a specific message within the thread, you can copy it, forward it, lock it, view details, and delete it. Tap here to return to your inbox. Tapping on a specific thread within your inbox will select it, and the total number of selected threads is displayed here. Tapping here, you can delete the entire thread. When you have multiple threads within your inbox, unread messages are displayed in bold text. Selecting the search icon, you can find specific messages based on the text within them. Here, I'll search for any messages containing the word Galaxy. Tapping on the result will open it. Returning to the inbox, tapping here, you can find text message settings. Customize the settings to your liking. Finally, accessing this option again and selecting Delete All Threads will delete all threads within your inbox.